Really?
Me neither.
Why not?
Well, I was really disappointed that she finished by talking about the natural approach.
Huh?
You know, how if we use the natural approach to slow down aging, we don't have to use any high-tech solutions.
Okay.
Well, taking the natural approach just seems like common sense. I mean, everybody knows that.
I'm not so sure about that. I don't think it's common knowledge at all. I mean, that part about overeating having a connection to aging was news to me, and I consider myself pretty well informed.
Actually, I think people already know what they should do, but like me, they just don't.
Why's that?
Well, in my case, I don't have the time or the money to eat a super healthy diet, and I'm definitely not going to cut it back by 30%. I'd be hungry all the time.
So what then? I mean, if you don't live a healthy lifestyle, your body will just break down faster and you'll have to get a new heart someday.
Sorry to change the subject, but can I clarify something from earlier in the lecture?
Mm-hmm.
So, has the Hayflick limit theory been disproved? I'm talking about the interpretation that your lifespan is predestined.
By predestined, do you mean?
Already decided. Like, the idea that at the time you're born, how long you're going to live is predestined.
I didn't take it that way. I think newer research shows that you can slow down the rate of cell division. And therefore, what'd you say about the clock?
Slow the hands of the clock.
Right, and live longer.
Well, I guess that's a good thing.
Yeah.